Hi everyone, welcome to day 13 of Mrs. Lamprin's math group. Today we're going to be working on some more word problems. These ones are going to be similar to yesterday's where you have to work backwards. So follow along and don't forget to use the RDW model. Read it, draw it, write it. Alright, here we go. Here's our first problem. Cameron bought 36 red ties, 4 blue ties, and 8 yellow ties. How many more red ties did he buy than blue ties? How many ties did he buy altogether? All right, the first thing we do when we read is we pull out the information. So we know that he has red ties. Oh, that marker is dead. We know that he has red ties. Let me see that. Let's see if you can. Nope, that was going to be a hard one to see. Okay, so the red ties, blue ties, and we have yellow ties. Alright, we know that he has 36 red ties. We know that he has 4 blue ties. And we know that he has 2 yellow ties. Okay, so at this point in the problem, this is where they want you to work backwards. So they want to know how many times more red ties does he have than blue ties. So because when they're asking how many times more, they're not giving it to you, that means that we have to find the amount of times it is. So that makes this one automatically our unit. So this unit is worth 4, okay? And then what they want to do is for you to draw a bar model, okay? And we don't know how many this is cut up into, okay? That's what we're trying to figure out. We know that this is worth 4. We want to know how many of these cubes can fit into here because that'll tell us how many times it is, okay? So this one equals 36. So we want to find, we have the number in each group, we want to find how many groups will fit into this. That's how many times. Okay, so if I was to set this up, it would become 36 divided by 4 equals what? Okay, you can also switch it around. You can 4 times what equals 36. Okay, it can also be our number bond 36 with the 2 factors. We know that one is 4, but we don't know what the other one is. What times 4 will give us 36? Okay, that's one way to do it. Now, the way we could do is we could do 4 times 10 will bring us to 40. Well, that's more than 36. So we take out 1 4, which will bring us down to 36. So that becomes 9. 4 times 9. So we know that 9 of these will fit into this. So let's answer that part. So it says he bought 9 times more red ties blue. Okay, so that's the first part of the question. We answered the first part, okay? The second part says, how many ties did he buy altogether? So now we just need to go back and use all of our numbers. They already gave that to us. We know it's 36, 4, and 2. So we're just going to add them all up. So we're going to do 36 plus 4 and 2. Okay, when we're doing addition, we always look for our tens facts. Do we have any tens facts in the first column? Yes, we have a 4 and a 6 equals 10, plus 2 more gives us 12. 3 and 1 is 4, so 42 ties altogether. He bought 42 ties in. Okay, do we read it? Yes. Do we draw it? Yes. Okay, and do we write it? Yes. Okay, let's look at our second problem. Okay. It says Mark blew up 42 pink balloons and 6 blue balloons. How many times more pink balloons did he blow up than blue balloons? How many balloons did he blow up altogether? Okay. So again, we're going to pull up what we know. Okay. So we know that there are pink balloons and there are blue balloons. Okay. We know that for the pink, they give us a total was 42. And we know for the blue, it was 6. They want to know how many times more pink balloons than blue balloons did he blow up. So again, we're looking for the how many times. So that means that this will become our unit worth 6. Okay, and this becomes our bar model, and it's worth 42. And we're trying to figure out how many of these single units will fit into the big bar model. Okay, because this is 42. We want to know how many times it would be cut up into it. Okay, so we have our unit and we have our bar model. We want to know how many of the single units will fit into there. So how many squares would 42 be cut up into, with each of the squares being worth 6. Okay, so this becomes 42 divided by 6 equals some number. And again, you can turn this around, and it can be 6 times what equals 42. So if I use my number bond, it becomes 42. I have my two factors. Okay, I have 6 and I have some number. What times 6 will give me 42? So we could do 6 times 6 is 36. We could do 6 times, so if I do 6 times 6 is 36, and I add 6 more, so 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Great, so that would be one more. So not 6 times 6, but 6 times 7. So we know 7 of these will go into here. So the answer is 7. Okay, so let's put that into our sentence. Mark blew up 7 times more pink balloons than blue. Okay, but we're not done yet, because the last part is how many balloons he blew up all together. So it becomes 42 plus, so 6 and 2 is 8. So he blew up 48 balloons. He blew up 48 balloons in all. Okay. Hope that this helped you. If you're getting stuck, please reach out to me. And I have set up office hours. So if you see that on the stream page, I did a Google a Sign Up Genius for times today and tomorrow. And I'm going to put up some more for the upcoming weeks, so that we can check in if you're struggling, or if you just want some help, or mom and dad are working and you want someone to help you with it. Okay. Please reach out. All right, I miss you all, and I hope that you're staying safe. All right, bye.